I'm Getogo Shuru, and I'm the EL for Team 461. Our industrial mentor is Fijay Jane, and our PI is Hongbing Lu.
Porous nanostructured materials can block around 60 dB noise to create quiet environments for comfort, privacy, and healthy life. Coming from an academic research environment, we had limited knowledge of the business world. Without understanding the end user of our technology, we focused on the product development, testing, and customer acquisition to launch a scalable startup. The I-Corps program forced us out of the building and out of our comfort zone to speak with people in the industry to gain insight. We spoke with over 100 people in the past few weeks. Our initial customer segments were aircraft manufacturers and boat builders. Aircraft manufacturers have to satisfy stringent FAA requirements, so they could not be our early adopters, whereas boat builders show a strong interest in the thin material to block out engine noise, but the market size might not be big enough for us to survive in the initial startup phase. After speaking with about 30 people in the multifamily complex industry, we learned that they are in need of cost-effective method to mitigate the noise from neighboring units. Among these people we spoke with, we came across John Redden with Devonshire Asset Management. He told us the recent apartment industry trend is to replace carpet with vinyl planks because it is more cost-effective in the long run. This can be done for the first floors, but for second and higher floors, carpet is utilized due to impact noise. A sound-blocking material that can be bonded underneath the floor will solve the impact noise problem. The number of units having noise issue is large. In one case, the number of units under management of a company was around 10,000 units. Retrofitting each one costs about $800 of material. The potential revenue from this property management company alone is $8 million, and that will make our business viable. When we first started the I-Corps project, the managers and owners of multifamily complexes were not on our customer segment list, but the market research has helped us to identify them as the early adopters of our technology.
From this I-Corps project, we learned not to assume anything, but to go out there and learn and validate our customers' needs.